Here is how to set fingerprint lock in Vivo. To set your fingerprint lock in Vivo is very easy. First, open your system setting like this. In system setting, you can tap here security. Don't forget to set up your lock screen for first time. In this video, I use pattern. Next, you can see fingerprint. Tap here. Confirm your pattern or lock screen. Next, you can see set up your fingerprint. In this video, I use fingerprint on bottom on screen like this. Tap start and then you record your fingerprint like this. And tap done. So easy. Next, you can add another fingerprint here. Thank you for watching my video.